welcome back to my channel, and as promised, I am here to show you guys all of the categories for my monthly expenses and then how I break it down. If I'm out of breath, it's because I literally ran from a cab to my building because it's raining outside. I just got back from the emergency room with my son Mason. He's had a cold for like a week now, and he has a really bad dry cough. So we went to City MD, which is an urgent care here in New York, and the doctor suggested that I take him to the ER to have like an ultrasound done and everything, because they don't have that type of things in their facilities or whatever. So we took him to the emergency room, and he had an ultrasound done, he had blood work done, he got tested for, and everything came back normal, so that is good. So I was like, you know what, I know it's late, it's almost 11 o'clock here in New York, but I need to get this video up, so here we are. All right guys, enough talking, let's get this started. All right, so I'm gonna zoom you guys in a little bit more. So before, I was using this monthly expense tracker, but now I switched it to this one. I don't know, I like this one, you know, it's cute and everything, but since I changed my envelopes or whatever, I figure I'll also change this. So this is how it looks. All right, so let's do this. Rent is due at the end of the month, so what I like to do is divide all my fixed expenses between 2 paychecks, which is bi-weekly. So for this paycheck, we have the money here, we're just going to pay any expenses that is highlighted in this peachy color. So that's rent, which is, I'm putting half of rent, Verizon, which is my Wi-Fi, Con Edison is my electricity bill, Google is like my app where I save all of my kids' pictures, and then gym is something new we added to our monthly expenses, and this is my husband's, and then Netflix. So for rent, we are paying rent at the end of the month. That's October 29, and my rent is $1,091.63. I don't know why they added 63 cents instead of just being like $1,091 or $1,092, but no, it's $1,091.63. All right, so I like to round this off to 1,092, and then dividing it by 2 paychecks. That means I will have to put $546 for each check. So we're just gonna write $546. Verizon is due on the 17th, which is almost up, and Verizon is always the same amount, and it's $56.33. Next is for Con Edison, which is my electricity bill, and this is due October 18th. And this always changes every month. It's usually $180 or $160 during the summertime, you know, because air conditioners are running. But because I haven't been home as often because kids are back to school and I'm always out and about, Con Edison dropped to $113.69. Google is due on the 18th as well, and Google is always the same price, $3.26. Gym is due, I think this is due November 1st, but we're just gonna add the money now, whatever. So my husband goes to Blink Fitness, and he just signed up again this month. So next month it's gonna be, he has to pay for the yearly fee. I don't know why. So it's $85. It's about $50 something plus the monthly fee. So I think he said it was $85. So we're just gonna write here December 31st or whatever. And it was $85. And then Netflix is due on the 2nd, which is November 2nd, and it's $15. All right, Amazon is due on the 29th. I know the date are not like, you know, in order, but it's okay as long as I understand it. Amazon is always $6.52, and the reason why it's not $12 like people pay is because I still use my college ID, so I do get it for half price. And if you're wondering what college I went to or whatever, or if I graduated, I did. I went to I did online classes with Southern New Hampshire University, and I have my associate's degree in accounting. Yes, accounting. I love math. I love anything that has to do with finance and all that good stuff. Sprint is due October 31st, and my Sprint is usually $117, but my brother lost his unemployment benefits, and he's like struggling really bad to get a job because he doesn't want to get, I'm not gonna say the word because then YouTube is just gonna ban me or whatever, from what I heard from other YouTubers. But so he's having a hard time finding work, and he can't pay his phone bill. I told him that I will pay his phone bill until he can get back on his feet. So my Sprint was $117 a month, and now I am paying $205. Let me see, $117, and I think his bill was about $85. Yeah, about $86 or $87. So I'm putting $205, and then the other half of my rent is $546. So let's see, 546 plus 5633 plus, oops, wait, that was right, 546 plus 5633 plus 113.69 plus 326 plus 85 plus 15 plus 652 plus 205, and then plus 546. So my monthly total expenses comes out to $1,576.80. So I'm just gonna round that to $1,577. So I'm gonna write that down here, $1,577. So for this check, we are working with $830. So for the first one, we're going to put rent $546, and then Verizon is $56.33, Con Edison $113.69, Google $326, Gym $85, and then Netflix $15. That comes up to $8.19.28. So we're gonna round that to $8.20. All right, so I'm gonna zoom you guys back out. All right, so we gotta do $8.19.28. But first, let me get the auto pay envelope, get it ready, because this is where I stuff all of my bills, and this goes into my bag. So we're gonna do $8.20. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 550, 6, 650, 7, and then 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. So now we need $20. So we have 10, 20. Okay, so we have left 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. $10. So I'm just gonna put this in there, use these instead, and just keep the bigger bill. So let's count that again. I always double count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 550, 6, 650, 7, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 800, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. So $820 is going into auto pay. All right, and what I do with this extra $10 goes into my rollover, which is my Etsy shop. I do have some things to buy in order to continue with my shop, like my orders. So just gonna put that in there. And that's about it, you guys. I hope you enjoy this video, and I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye.